It is just a two-step process to fix DNS Pro finished bad config error on Chrome. In the first step, go to search bar and type cmd, right click here and click on run as administrator. Then type this command carefully, ipconfig space all and hit enter. Wait for some time. After that, type this command ipconfig/release and hit enter. Then type this command ipconfig space/flush DNS and hit enter. Then type ipconfig space/renew, then hit enter. Then type netsh space indip set space DNS and hit enter. And finally type exit to close the command prompt. In the second step, go to search bar and type control panel. Click here to open it. Then click on network and internet. Then click on network and sharing center. Click on change adapter settings. Right click on your internet connection and select properties. Then select IPv4 and click on properties. On this window, in the general tab, check this option. Then type 8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4. Then check this option and click on OK. Close all windows one by one. After that, it will try to detect the problems. That's it guys, your problem will be solved. You're good to go.